What information do I need to provide to get a replacement Social Security card?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important topic. What information do you need to provide to get a replacement Social Security card? Losing your Social Security card can be stressful, but don't worry, we're here to help guide you through the process of getting a replacement.
Do you really need a replacement card?
Before we begin, it's important to know that in most cases, you might not actually need a replacement card. As long as you know your Social Security number, you likely won't need a physical card. However, if you still wish to get a replacement, let's proceed.
Proof of identity.
The Social Security Administration, SSA, requires proof of your identity to issue a replacement card. This could be a U.S. driver's license, a state-issued non-driver identification card, or a U.S. passport. These documents must be current, not expired, and show your name, identifying information, and preferably a recent photograph. You must provide original documents or copies certified by the issuing agency. Photocopies or notarized copies are not accepted.
Proof of citizenship or legal status.
Next, you'll need to provide proof of your U.S. citizenship or your current lawful immigration status. For U.S. citizens, this can be a U.S. birth certificate or a U.S. passport. Non-citizens will need to show their current U.S. immigration documents, like a permanent resident card or employment authorization document, EAD.
Application process.
Once you've gathered the necessary documents, you'll need to fill out an application for a Social Security card, Form SS-5. It's essential to provide complete and accurate information on this form.
Submitting the application.
After completing the form and gathering your documents, you can mail or deliver them in person to your local Social Security office. Please note that all documents must be either originals or copies certified by the issuing agency. After processing, they'll be returned to you. And that's it. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can replace your lost or stolen Social Security card. Remember, it's crucial to keep your Social Security card in a safe place to prevent identity theft. Stay informed, stay safe, and thanks for watching.